Welcome to my channel. I'm Arasus Metinus, a passionate nature enthusiast and wildlife photographer living in Turkey. Nature is not just around us, it's a part of who we are. Through my lens, I capture and share the breathtaking beauty of the wild, bringing you closer to the wonders of our planet. Join me in exploring the untamed world, where every moment is a story waiting to be told. Let's embark on a journey to witness nature's most spectacular moments together. While taking field notes and wandering through nature, we will observe birds and other wildlife across forests, wetlands, seas and mountains, capturing their stories in their natural habitats. From the early morning calls of songbirds to the silent flight of an owl at dusk, every sound, every movement tells a tale of survival, beauty and wonder. Through changing seasons and shifting landscapes, we will uncover the delicate balance of nature, its rhythms, its struggles, and its breathtaking harmony. With patience and curiosity, we will witness rare encounters, unexpected behaviors, and the hidden wonders that unfold in the heart of the wild. Whether it's the powerful gaze of a predator, the intricate dance of a tiny bird, or the mesmerizing reflections on a still lake. Each moment is a window into the soul of the wild. By observing the exquisite behaviors of birds and cherishing their vibrant colors, we will bring glimpses of nature into our homes, reminding us the beauty that surrounds us. So grab your binoculars, your camera, step into the wilderness, and let's embrace the magic of nature. One frame, one note, one photograph, and one unforgettable experience at a time. Subscribe my channel for the upcoming wildlife videos and photographs.